हाय एवरीवन, सो आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे कैपिटल बजटिंग। आई एम डूइंग सम रिविजन सो दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो डू। अभी मैं करूँगी आईआरआर की रिविजन। सो लेट्स डू आईआरआर टुगेदर। सो दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच वी विल बी गोइंग टू डू. So let's start with the question 15, and here's the question. You can see the question also. So first, PQR Limited is considering two projects X and Y. The cash flows associated with the project are as follows. Project 1, Project 2, this, and cost of capital is 10%, and we have to evaluate net present value and also the IR method. So we will firstly make a table for project 1. Computation of NPV for project 1. Year, let's make the table. Year 1, 2, 3, 4, and cash flows are 62,000, 80,000, 1 lakh, 140,000. And now it's PV factor. So how to calculate PV factor, as it's 10% cost of capital? I'll show you how to calculate PV factor. Now firstly, PVF is equal to 1.1 plus 0.10, which will be 1.10. 1 divided by 10, which we did here, like 1 divided by 1.10. Is that correct? Yes. So we'll take 4 decimal. Then for the second year is equal to, this is for the second year, 0.8264. Then for the third, 513. Then for this fourth, 6830. Now for present value cash flows, we'll multiply cash flow from present value factor. Present value cash flows. Divided, multiply by 62,000. That would be 56364. We will not consider the point. Then 80,000 multiply by 264. 62. And then 1 lakh multiply by 0.7513. 1,40,000. Now this is the present value factor, and now we'll add these 5636 plus 66112 57513 95620 293226. This is net present value. Now this is our net, and the initial investment is 2,20,000. 2,20,000. sorry, this is not our NPV, this is our present value total, cash flows total. Now we'll calculate net present value. Present cash flow value minus initial investment, this would be 73226. That's it. That's how we calculate net present value. Okay, now we have to calculate IRR. So how do we calculate IRR? So firstly we'll take, I'll show you. Firstly we'll calculate cash flows. This would be 382,000. Okay, that's cash flows, and initial investment is our 2,20,000. So we'll minus this from this, that would be I guess that's incorrect, I need to check. That's correct. To minus 2. That's okay. So what we'll do, we'll see that which rate we have to use to find IRR, that is internal rate of return. So 162,000 divided by 4 because of 4 years. We need to cash flow this from this 382. That's correct. Cash flow this to this, so we have got this. Now what we'll do is that we have found the compute payback approximation. That would be 22,000 initial investment, then average investment, two 2.30. Okay, then we'll see rates, near rates, PVIFA factor, which is close to this. So firstly we can take 20%, 22%, 24%, 26%. So how to calculate PV? 1 divided by 120, correct? Then M plus, memory plus, then equal, then memory plus. We have to do it 4 times. Now it has come 0.589. Okay, then we'll do for 22. Okay, 49, 40, 424 is 2.40. 2.32. Now we can see that it has come between this. So we'll do one thing. We'll take 20% to 24%. Then we'll calculate IR. So we'll do it here. 20% PV factor and 25% PV factor. We'll do the same. 0.833, 0.694, 0.579, 0.482. Now for 25%, 0.8, 0.64, 0.512, 0.40. You can say it as a 1. Okay, now we'll multiply this from this 62,000 to 15164 694 9 to 1 lakh 57900 6780. Now we'll do this 25%. 62,000 4 600. It is also same. Now we'll add this. So now we'll minus initial investment to get the NPV. We have got the both NPV. Now we'll calculate NPV. This is NPV for lower and this is NPV for higher rate of return. Okay, and lower rate is 20% and higher rate is 25%. NPV of lower is 12546 and NPV for higher is -10. Now let's see how to calculate IRR. The formula of IRR is lower rate plus bracket open, NPV for lower value, NPV for lower minus NPV for higher, multiply by higher rate minus lower rate. Our lower rate was 20 plus NPV for the lower rate for 12,546. 12,546 minus 10,600 multiply by 25, sorry, no, it was 25 minus 20. So let's see, 20 plus okay, this is 2 3 1 1 2 5 4 6 multiply by 5, 2 5 4 6 2 3 1 4 6 multiply by 5, 2.7 plus 2.71, 20. So our IRR is 2.71%. So let's check, is it correct? Yes, it's almost there. 2.16, 2.71%. So that is almost correct. So this was for the project 1.